What if I told you that 2027 is bringing cars with over 1700 horsepower? Today we are counting down the top 5 new beast cars of 2027. Number 5. McLaren W1. Imagine a car that looks like a spaceship designed for a Formula 1 driver. The McLaren W1 features an ultra-aggressive body with massive air channels, active aerodynamics, and a futuristic rear wing that transform at high speeds. Every part of this car is built to cut through the air like a fighter jet. Inside, the W1 focuses completely on the driver. Lightweight racing seats, a futuristic steering wheel, and a cockpit-style dashboard make you feel like you are sitting inside a race car rather than a road car. Under the hood is a twin turbo 4.0-liter V8 hybrid engine producing an insane 1258 horsepower. McLaren Automotive top speed. The W1 can reach a top speed of around 217 mph, 350 km per hour. McLaren Automotive future technology. McLaren uses Formula 1 inspired hybrid technology, advanced active suspensions, and next generation aerodynamic to maximize performance. Expected price around $2.1 million. This isn't just a supercar, it's a Formula 1 machine disguised as a road car. Number 4. Ferrari F80. Ferrari waited years to replace the legendary LaFerrari and the result is absolutely unbelievable. Exterior. The F80 looks like a hypercar straight out of a sci-fi movie. Sharp LED light, extreme aerodynamic channels, and race-inspired bodywork make it one of the most aggressive Ferraris ever created. Ferrari designed the cabin around the driver, creating a Formula 1 inspired cockpit with futuristic digital displays and racing-focused control. Engine and horsepower. Power comes from a hybrid twin turbo V6 combined with electric motors, producing around 1184 horsepower. Top speed. The Ferrari F80 reaches approximately 217 mph, 350 km per hour, and launches from 0 to 62 mph in just over 2 seconds. Future technology. Electric turbocharged Formula 1 driven hybrid system and advanced active aerodynamics push this Ferrari into the future. Starting price is around $4 million. This is the most powerful road-going Ferrari ever built. Number 3. Ferrari Luce EV. Now things get even crazier. The Ferrari Luce introduced a completely new Ferrari design language with sleek body lines, futuristic lighting, and a shape that looks decades ahead of current supercars. The cabin is expected to feature next-generation digital technology, AI-powered system, and luxury materials combined with a racing atmosphere. Unlike traditional Ferrari, the Luce is fully electric and expected to produce over 100 horsepower. Ferrari targets hypercar-level acceleration with a 0 to 60 mph time near 2.5 seconds. This car represents Ferrari electric future, combining high-performance battery system with advanced software and instant torque. Estimated price around $500,000 to $700,000. It's Ferrari entering the electric era without sacrificing speed. Number 2. Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X. America decided it was time to challenge Europe's hypercar kings. The ZR1X looks absolutely brutal, massive air intakes and aggressive front splitter, wide body styling and track-focused aerodynamic make it look ready for a Le Mans. The cabin combines luxury with performance, expected premium materials, digital displays, and race-inspired seats. The ZR1X combines a twin turbo V8 with a hybrid technology, producing around 1250 horsepower. Expected top speed is over 230 mph. Future technology. Hybrid all-wheel drive technology gives the ZR1X insane acceleration while maintaining everyday usability. Expected price around $200,000 to $500,000. That's hypercar performance for a fraction of the price. Number 1. Bugatti Tourbillon. This is the car everyone is talking about, the ultimate beast of 2027. The Tourbillon looks like automotive art. The iconic Bugatti Horse grille, futuristic bodywork, massive air channels, and breathtaking proportions make it one of the most beautiful hypercars ever created. While other companies are filling cars with giant screens, Bugatti went the opposite direction. The Tourbillon features luxury watch, inspired gauges, crystal details, premium materials, and timeless craftsmanship. Under the rear seats, a natural inspirated 8.3-liter V16 engine combined with 3 electric motors, producing a mind-blowing 1775 horsepower. The Bugatti climbs a top speed of around 277 mph, 445 km per hour with the speed key activated. Future technology. The Tourbillon combines old-school mechanical engineering with next-generation hybrid technology, creating one of the most advanced hypercars ever built. Starting price is over $4 million and only 250 units will be produced worldwide. speed. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling masterpiece capable of rewriting automotive history. So which beast would you choose? McLaren W1, Ferrari F80, Ferrari Luz EV, Corvette ZR1X, Bugatti Tourbillon? Comments your favorite below. And if you love insane hypercars, futuristic technology and the fastest machines on earth, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications because the next car on this channel might be even crazier. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.